Hi guys, today we talk about how can you choose your completed trials on your AllTrails app. We will to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your AllTrails app. So all you have to do, just go down, you click your own profile down here. So then you come to this list here on your profile. So then all you have to do, just go up of this sign settings here and up, click on it. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on privacy settings. So when you click here on privacy settings, it's going to take you in this list. Then you come here to uh, just go down, you come here to complete it twice, click in this sign. Then here can you choose if you want to add this public or followers only on private. Then you click here on save and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.